In this video, I'll be laying out our plan, yes, our plan to go from $0 to $10,000 per month with a brand new YouTube video. We are going to cover everything. We're going to talk about traffic sources, different ways to monetize. We're going to do the whole shebang so that we can start building something together. And I'm actually going to give you an opportunity for your input. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online with affiliate marketing. All right, so a few days ago, I talked about how I needed your help to get my YouTube channel and TikTok account back up and running because I was banned. Anyway, I got a lot of great feedback, positive responses in that video about starting a YouTube channel, different niche ideas, different ways to go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from $0 to $10,000 per month in 1 year. I'm going to need your help doing it. So let's talk about it. The plan is to go from 0 to 10K in a variety of ways. We are going to promote other people's products with affiliate marketing. We are going to sell our own digital products, and hopefully, if this goes well, we can look at getting brand deals and sponsorships as well. And I want to bring you along on this journey of ours so that we can see what it really takes. Now, obviously, I'd like to get to 10K as fast as possible. Hopefully, we can do it in 6 months, but I'm thinking maybe a year is a good way to go, a good goal to set for ourselves. What I need from you is niche ideas. So tell me a niche that you want to get into. I've considered maybe like cooking on the Blackstone or griddle cooking because I really like that. However, the drawback to that is I live in Wisconsin. And so in the winter, in February, it's going to be a challenge. I don't think that I want to be out there in like -8-degree weather trying to cook on the Blackstone. Maybe I will, but that's something that I need to consider as well. So let's talk about the plan, what I'll be doing. I will be updating you every week for free on this YouTube channel, every Saturday, I believe, talking about things that I'm working on, challenges that I've encountered. I'll also be recording everything that I do. I'll be recording myself as well as my screen. And I'm actually going to put that in two places. One, I'm going to put that in my membership course. So if you are a part of my membership community, you'll have access to those videos, and I'm also going to put it in a Discord as well. Now, the Discord will be a paid Discord, but it's only to keep the riffraff out. And what I'll actually do at the end of the 12 months, I'll actually give away all of the money that I incur from that Discord. So if I make, $10,000 from that Discord, I will be giving that back to the people that have followed me. I'll do a drawing where I do maybe 10 winners or 15 or 20 winners, depending on how much money is in that pot. And I'll keep that pot separate. But we are going to build a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the strength, the positives, the negatives, the hurdles, all of the problems that can encounter when starting it. If you join the Discord or if you're a part of my mentor coaching community, you will see everything that goes into it, building out sales funnels, building out email autoresponders. You'll see the stats, things that are going well. You'll see how I build out digital products to sell. You'll actually get a look at how I work with different brand deals and sponsorships as they come along, any new ideas that I get as well. So the point of this video is to invite you to either join my coaching community or join the Discord. There'll be a link down below for the Discord. Again, it is a paid one, but it's really just to keep people from stealing the ideas. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people that aren't creative or unique, and they feel it's easier to just steal the ideas and try and do it for themselves. But like I said, any money that I make from the Discord is going to go right back to you guys. So if I make $3 million with the Discord, you guys will get $3 million. And I'll be incredibly transparent. You'll see how many people join it. I will update the YouTube channel for free every single week on Saturdays, telling you traffic, how many visitors I've gotten over the last week, things that are going well, things that aren't going well. So it will be really community driven. A couple notes here. I'm editing this video. So the free YouTube content, you will not see the channel name. You will not see the videos that actually go up. We'll just kind of update you about the strengths, weaknesses, problems that we've run into, and numbers per se. If you are a part of the Discord, if you are a part of my membership and coaching, you will actually see the channel. So you'll see the channel grow right before your very eyes. Also, I will invite your input down below, things that I can improve, or numbers that you want to see, money that you want to see. You're gonna see it all, okay? And this is really designed to help you see that you can be successful with a YouTube channel in 2022. So here's some things that I'm going to do to help my YouTube channel grow. I'm going to start a completely new Pinterest account, and I will post pins to my YouTube channel and pins to my TikTok account, as well as YouTube Shorts, to help grow faster. I'm also going to upload YouTube Shorts to this new channel, and I will do TikTok videos as well. Everything pointing back to this YouTube channel to really grow it as fast as possible. In addition, I'll be starting a brand new blog. Now, I'm not going to be writing blog posts per se. I'm just going to have the YouTube videos transcribed. So it'll actually help me get another push, and it'll actually help me create more Pinterest pins. So I'll have Pinterest pins pointing to my YouTube videos, to my blog, and to TikTok. And everything's going to be pointing back to the YouTube channel. And in the YouTube channel, I'll have a link for people to go to my mailing list. Okay. So the goal is to go from 0 to 10K in 52 weeks, starting this week coming up. The next Saturday, the 17th, will be week 1. And this is going to be an ongoing thing that we are going to do together to see that it's really possible to generate a full-time income with YouTube. And I invite you guys to come along. If you've been hesitant to get started with your YouTube channel, now is the perfect time. If you started a YouTube channel and you stopped for whatever reason, now is the time to get back up, because we're going to do this together. Inside of that Discord, if you want to share your wins, that's going to be more than encouraged. If you want to talk about the struggles that you are encountering, if you want people to take a look at what you're doing, maybe like a third party, a second set of eyes, you can do that inside of this Discord. Now, the purpose of the Discord isn't obviously to make money. It's more to keep the riffraff out and to encourage other people to keep going. Okay. So again, one more time, just so that we are all on the same page, I am starting a brand new YouTube channel where I'm going to show you behind the scenes of going from 0 to 10K in 1 year. Okay. Obviously, I want to get to it as fast as possible. And some ways that we are going to monetize it. I'm going to sell a little front-end product for maybe, $7 to $20. We're going to monetize it with affiliate marketing. We're going to obviously monetize it with the YouTube partner program, and we are going to get brand deals and sponsorships if possible. What I need you to do is comment down below with different channel ideas. Okay. I mentioned, like I said, I'm interested in doing maybe Blackstone or griddle cooking, but I don't think it's going to be that fun out there in February in Wisconsin. Now, one way to get around that is to batch out my content. Also, while I'm talking about content, you'll get to see how I do keyword research. Okay. You'll get to see how I create the content. Obviously, I'll be recording it, and I'll show you both the raw unedited as well as the behind the scenes, the actual finished video as well. You will get to see everything. I don't think there's really a channel out there that is going to show you behind the scenes of going from 0 to 10K per month with a YouTube channel. So if that is something that you are interested in, obviously follow this channel, join the Discord so that you can be a part of something special and unique, and you can actually grow along with us. So we're going to do this in tandem. We're going to do this together. And that's really all I have for you today. Go ahead and watch some of my other videos where I talk about starting a YouTube channel and starting affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.